questions which are puzzle in your head. And it gives answers to all levels. All the levels, and in a beautiful way it gives answers. It gives answers in a beautiful way. At the highest cosmic plan, it gives all the answers. So we'll first just start that Omkar, Om, 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 and then we directly go how we use the technique. Uncommon questions to be asked, then Vastu, and then health. This is how we'll go ahead. Just one person repeat what are the laws of dowsing. Whatever we did right now were indirectly the laws. What you want to ask something, Gurudev? Say. Gurudev, there is nothing to understand. What's your name? Beautiful name. Shri Nivas. जहाँ श्री निवास का हो, जहाँ श्री का वास है वो है श्री निवास. जहाँ श्री का वास है वो है श्री निवास. Means what? Please explain. जहाँ श्री का वास है वो है श्री निवास. Yes or no? Please explain. Now where does God stay? Beautifully, He stays in the hearts of people. So He is there in your heart. Have you felt Him sometimes? कभी तो ऐसा हुआ है कि वो फील हुआ है कि कभी नहीं हुआ है. बहुत से इंसिडेंट्स है ना. कभी तो लगा है ना कि है कि नहीं लगा है. कभी तो अंदर से क्लिक हुआ है ना. अरे गुरुदेव थोड़ा पानी आपको तकलीफ दे रही हूँ. Thanks a lot. Bring 2 glasses of water. Thanks a lot here. Sorry troubling you. What I mean by cosmos is universal laws of nature. Okay. Energy level has its laws by what it functions. And that can never be wrong. Universal laws are always existing. Even during Ramayana times, they were existing centuries before, and even after I and you pass away, it will exist. Just revise those points we said. Say na number 1. Very good, excellent. Number 2, aap bolo. Very good. Same point hua Gurudev, right, wrong. Okay, third point aap bolo Gurudev. Excellent, aap bolo. अरे यार कूल तो सेम रिपीट किया. नया कुछ बोलो ना. हाँ आप बोलो गुरुदेव. अरे सेम रिपीट कर रहा है, कुछ नया बोलो ना. प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड दो, एप्लीकेशन करना है तो. डोंट बी जजमेंटल. जजमेंटल मत रहो. गुड और बैड मत बोलो. हाँ पार्डन. तुम 1 मिनट. जब भी तुम कुछ करने को जाएगा हो ही नहीं सकता है. ये आई थिंक दिस इज द थर्ड लेक्चर आई एम गिविंग ऑन डाउजिंग. आई थिंक यू आर ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट. Every time a new lecture is formed. Today also I think a new lecture has come out. I have never prepared for the lecture. How to make it thoughtless? You can never make anything any time. It will become thoughtless. Automatically it will become thoughtless. Just observe. 10 minutes before lunch and before dinner, sit with eyes closed. Before lunch and before dinner, without Dr. Suman, without working also. Because you have love for him. The basic at the bottom line is love. आपको मूवी देखना है तो रात को पूरी रात के भी 5 घंटा 10 घंटा मूवी देखेगा. यस या नो? आपको इच्छा है, एंथुसियाज्म है, लव है, इंटरेस्ट है. एंथुसियाज्म, लव, इंटरेस्ट. अभी हैबिट्स, पर्सन्स, गुड, बैड, राइट, रॉन्ग, जजमेंट. All are separate. Once you separate out everything, what happens? Once you separate out everything, what happens? A person is not bad. The argument, if you are afraid to go, that person's tolerance level is 0, so he boils up. Yes or no? Person is not bad. Person is beautiful at heart. He is a cosmic divine plan. आपके साथ जो आया है वो आदमी. Acceptance because I am right. ego को नहीं उठ सकता है. इसके लिए उसको हम बैड बना देता है और आप अबव हो जाता है. फिर वो है सुपर पावर गेम, ईगो का गेम हो जाता है. Yes or no? Be honest अंदर से. So what is important in dowsing is to be honest. So वो गेम को आपको ड्रॉप करना है, ईगो का गेम को, और अंदर से with simplicity you have to live your life. The moment you are very simple, down to earth, you are opening yourself to all the realities that come to you. You are ready to receive everything. Even if you are walking on the road, any problem you have into your system, you will get the answers everywhere. Have you seen this or experienced it? Yes or no? मुझे आपको कुछ अंदर चल रहा है बट आपको आपका जवाब या सॉल्व हो जाता है. Because why is this happening? Please understand this. Why? That thought power is attracting that happening, and it happens only for you because that thought power is attracting that happening. Are you getting it? Energy level is attracting that. So that experience of yours was law of attraction. So according to that energy space, you attract that what you want. So choice will attract. Because everything is only energy and formless. If everything is energy, everything is formless, everything can be worked. You can work on dowsing and a lot of research can be done on dowsing. It can be used at criminal level 1. Number 2, it can be used to find out all the terrorists. Number 3, it can be used to find out from all the political leaders who is a genuine one. Number 4, you can use it in health level. Which science will help your bodies? It can be used at the aspect of MRIs. कौन सा ऑर्गन, कौन सा आर्टरी, कौन सा वेन ब्लॉक है, कौन सा सर्जरी तुमको अच्छा लगेगा. तुम्हारा हार्ट का ब्लॉक है तो तुम योगा करेगा तो फायदा होगा या सर्जरी करेगा तो फायदा होगा. What is suitable to you at a given moment? The decision making of a given constitution correctly at a given time can be done. But this can happen professionally, and you can pick up that professional with 3 months of constant practice. For common things and then for uncommon things professionally. Are you getting it? So first is love for it, enthusiasm, interest. Love, enthusiasm, interest for what? For all uncommon things. When you will have all uncommon things, all common things, I had said before also, make a timetable. Tomorrow you are supposed to meet 5 people for business. And you are supposed to make an agreement with someone for a new company. Should I go here or not? Ask the Lord. Should I meet these 5 people? Are they genuine or not? Acha, should I eat this food or not? Which color dress can I wear? Should I use Colgate or should I use, which is the other company of the place? Maxodent or whatever. So, 4 paste are there, 4 साबुन का कंपनी है. कौन सा साबुन का कंपनी में हो? कौन से कलर का ड्रेस में पहनो? All that unimportant questions every day over a period of time, maybe a month's time maximum. You keep on practicing with dowsing. 1 day in the night you do, 2nd day you check, 3rd day in the night you do, 4th day you check. So once you have grip, once when you are doing, you are writing your observations on the paper. 2nd day when you do, you are checking your observation. 3rd day when you do, again you are checking your observation. 4th day when you do, again you are checking. So that becomes your experience, that becomes your confidence. And when that becomes your confidence, you know how to go ahead. Then for interior designing, for vastu, for health, then even for you making this, big these people are wearing in TV serials. What are they wearing? Yeah. So in that combination of stones and all those things, then you are wearing all this. What do you wear here? grahas. Those combination also you can use. That also you can use. What business is good for you, where you can use. But the bottom line is what? Bottom line is that you have to be cool and calm. And you have to lead down. You have to be confident of yourself. Not do what other people say.